It's Thursday, March the 15th. We're in Hobart, Tasmania. We left Melbourne, came down the east coast of Tasmania. Next stop would have been Antarctica, so good thing we stopped here. It's in the upper 60s today, about 85% chance of rain. You can see the radiance of the seas over my shoulder. We're going to have a highlights of Hobart tour, just kind of see all the highlights of the city here. So we're off on an adventure again today.
But if you look towards the other shore from that highest point, you'll see a missing pylon. Can you all see that?
Yeah.
There is a reason for that, and Australians may remember that in 1975 we had a medium-sized ore-carrying ship travelling upstream, and for some reason we don't know of, it veered off course and they couldn't stop it in time and it crashed into the bridge.
So far no rain, we're staying dry, so that's a good thing. We just arrived at the Royal Botanical Gardens in Hobart, Tasmania.
Organic in his gardening, and he would always talk about that. He has now retired and another younger gardener has taken his place. But always, probably forever now, this will be always known as Pete's Veggie Patch because his name is Pete. So for Australians, older Australians in particular, all Australians, this is very significant.
The conservatory at the Royal Tasmanian Garden.
First built, they would put all the warmer climate plants against or near to the wall because they used to light fires in the wall, and the wall would be heated up in winter. So that was called the Arthur Wall system. So they'd have espaliered plants going along the wall and other plants that didn't deal with frost very well, they would plant them.
That is a tall tree. Wow. That'd be a good Christmas tree for our living room, honey. We're on top of Mount Nelson. We had to come here instead of Mount Wellington because the clouds are so low. But we had a good time in the Royal Gardens, and now we've got a beautiful overlook of Hobart, Tasmania. Sandy Point, one of the richest areas in Hobart.
Here on our right now was built for a sea captain, and the story is that the entire top floor was turned over to his model train set.
Battery Point. We avoided the rain here in Hobart. We're welcome back to the ship. 2 days out at sea, and then we will be heading to New Zealand. Interesting fact we heard on the bus today, the cleanest air in the world is here. We're actually further south than the southern tip of South Africa. So the closest land to the west would be South America. Imagine that. So see you in a couple days.